In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on this Honda Accord. If you need any parts for your car, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. With the hood open on the driver's side of the vehicle right here, you'll see your battery. Usually you'll have a hold down bracket that goes across and holds this battery down. Unfortunately, ours is missing, so it is not being held down at this time. I'm going to use a socket to remove the mounting nut or the clamping nut on the battery terminal. Now, usually it's a 10mm socket. These terminals have been replaced with universal ones, so I'm using a 13. But once again, 10mm socket is all you need. Undo that. Once you loosen that nut up, you should be able to wiggle the terminal right off of the battery and set it aside. I'm starting with the negative. That's why I started over here. We're going to do the same exact thing to the positive side. Twist that off. There's a little bit of corrosion here, so you're going to want to clean that up. And at this point, hopefully your battery has a handle so you can lift it straight up and out. Now if you had your new battery, drop it back down in place. At this point, if you had the hold down bracket, install that. It should just have two 10mm nuts with two J-hooks. And when installing the battery terminals, you're going to want to install the positive first. Press it all the way down, make sure it's seated, and snug it up with a wrench or ratchet. Once you snug it a little bit, test it out. If you can't spin it, that's plenty tight. If you over tighten it, it will stretch the terminal. Lastly, put on the negative. You might hear a little spark or even see it. That's normal. Tighten this one down as well. Snug it. Make sure you can't spin it. And there you have it, battery is replaced. I hope this video is helpful. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.